Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna make a cute Christmas tree, and the best part is we'll be recycling a toilet paper tube to create the trunk. It's a fun, eco-friendly project that's perfect for beginners and great for holiday decorating. So, let's get started. Here are the materials you'll need. 5-ply milk cotton yarn, I'm using one that's 60% cotton and 40% acrylic. A 2.5mm crochet hook. A toilet paper tube. A piece cardstock. Hot glue. Scissors. Now we're gonna use the cardstock and the toilet paper tube to make a Christmas tree shape. First, cut the cardstock into a shape like this. Next, tube it into a cone and glue the edges to hold it in place. For the trunk, take the toilet paper tube and some brown yarn, put some glue on the tube, then wrap the brown yarn around it until it's fully covered. Here's what the trunk looks like now. Now, glue the cone onto the wrapped trunk. And just like that, our Christmas tree shape is finished. Now we're gonna make the leaf ring. First, take the green yarn and make a slip knot. Make a loop and place it on your middle finger, with the working yarn on top of the yarn tail. Now insert your hook into the loop and pull the working yarn through, just like this. After making a slip knot, we'll crochet chains. Continue chaining until you form a circle like this, sized to fit the Christmas tree. Then, slip stitch into the first chain to join the circle. Now, chain 1 and make 1 single crochet in each stitch around. Insert your hook into the first stitch. Yarn over, and pull up a loop. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull through both loops. That's 1 single crochet. Now continue making 1 single crochet in each stitch around. At the end, slip stitch into the first stitch to complete the round. Next, chain 5. Now we're gonna work into these chains. Insert your hook into the second chain from the hook and make a slip stitch. After that, into the next chain, make 1 single crochet. After that, in the following chain, make 1 half double crochet. To do a half double crochet, yarn over once, insert our hook into the next chain. Yarn over and pull through. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. That's 1 half double crochet. Make 1 more half double crochet into the last stitch. Now skip one stitch and slip stitch into the second stitch. This is the small sequence you'll repeat until the end. Let's crochet together one more time. First, chain 5. Next, slip stitch into the second chain from the hook. Then, make one single crochet into the next chain. After that, make one half double crochet into each of the last 2 chains. Now skip one stitch and slip stitch into the second stitch. Repeat this sequence again, chain 5. After that, slip stitch into the second chain from the hook. After that, one single crochet into the next chain. After that, one half double crochet into each of the last 2 chains. After that, skip one stitch and slip stitch into the second stitch. So keep repeating this around until you reach the end. Now I'm at the end of the round. If you have 1 or 2 stitches left over, don't worry, just slip stitch into the last stitch. It won't affect how your work turns out. After slip stitching, chain 1 to fasten off. And cut the yarn. And we've finished making the leaf ring. You'll need to make several leaf rings in different sizes to build a beautiful Christmas tree shape. Now we're gonna make the top of the Christmas tree. First, we'll start with a magic ring. Place the yarn on your left hand and wrap it around your index finger. Then take the yarn tail and wrap it around your middle finger. You should now have 2 strands crossing each other on your middle finger. Pinch the crossed strands between your thumb and index finger to hold them in place. Now grab your hook and insert it under the yarn around your middle finger. Pull the working yarn through the loop and twist your hook clockwise. This creates a loop on your hook. Now we're gonna yarn over and pull it through the loop on your hook. And that's your magic ring. Now make one more chain. And after that, make 5 half double crochet into the magic ring. Yarn over once, then insert your hook into the magic ring and make a half double crochet like normal. Mark this stitch with a stitch marker. This is the first stitch. Continue making half double crochets until you have 5 in total. After finishing 5 half double crochets, pull the yarn tail tightly to close the ring. Then insert your hook into the very first stitch, the one we marked, and make a slip stitch. Next, chain 4. We'll repeat the leaf ring pattern, but it will be a little different this time. Now, slip stitch into the second chain from the hook. Then, make one single crochet into each of the last 2 chains. After that, slip stitch into the next stitch. So, repeat this pattern all the way around. At the end, slip stitch into the last stitch and chain 1 to fasten off. And cut the yarn. Now we're gonna make the star. First, start with a magic ring. Then, make 10 single crochets into the magic ring. Mark the first stitch with a stitch marker. After making 10 single crochets, pull the yarn tightly to close the magic ring. Next, insert your hook into the very first stitch and make a slip stitch to join. Now, chain 3. Then, slip stitch into the second chain from the hook. After that, make 1 single crochet into the last chain. After that, skip 1 stitch and slip stitch into the second stitch. We'll repeat this pattern all the way around. First, chain 3, slip stitch into the second chain from the hook. In the last chain, make 1 single crochet. After that, skip 1 stitch and slip stitch into the second stitch. Keep repeating this pattern until you reach the end. At the end, slip stitch into the last stitch, then chain 1 to fasten off. And cut the yarn. And we've finished making the star. Now, let's glue the leaf rings and star onto the Christmas tree shape to complete our project. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you found it simple and easy to follow. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye, and happy crocheting.